This really is feel-good food at its finest. Fluffy Yorkshire puddings with juicy Slimming World sausages and fresh onion rings. Yes, you absolutely can cosy up with a comforting dish and still get a great weight loss. Start off by roasting the sausages in a hot oven. We've used Slimming World sausages, but if you use other low-fat sausages, make sure you count the Syns. When they've been cooking for 10 minutes, add some large sliced onion rings and return to the oven for another quarter of an hour. Whilst that's cooking, make your Yorkshire pudding mix. Sieve 60 grams of plain flour and 2 level teaspoons of baking powder into a mixing bowl or large jug. Sieving will add air and help the batter to fluff up and rise. Gradually mix in 100 ml of skimmed milk and 75 ml of water to make a smooth batter. Whisk in 5 eggs, one at a time, until the batter is well combined. It should be a smooth, pourable consistency like cream. Stir in some sprigs of fresh rosemary, dried sage, and season with a little salt and ground pepper. When the sausages are cooked, quickly pour the batter into the hot tin. Turn the oven down to 200 degrees C fan or 180 degrees C gas mark 6 and bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until the batter is puffed up and golden. Divide between 4 and serve straight away.